Hey, welcome back. Today I will be doing this mani you can see on my right hand. I'll be putting it on my left. This is actually a recreate that was originally done by Chelsea over at Sip and Dip. I first saw it on her Instagram and later watched a video that she has on her channel. I'll link both below. And I was so blown away by her work. Everything she does is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous, it's flawless, it's perfect. In my view, she can do no wrong. So I made a point of buying all the colours I needed for this, and I thought I'd try it out myself. There's a few differences of how I do it, which you'll see, but I'm only going to talk through the beginning of it. So I'm using my Nitro crystal clear powder and my Revel Pro Base, and I'm just going to quickly build up an apex on all of my fingers just because my nails are getting a little bit longer. So the first colour I'm using of this ombre, I'm starting on my pinky finger, is Blake, and this is a yellow, as well as Lush, which is a pale green colour. So I'm actually doing a scrub ombre rather than a tap ombre like Chelsea does over on her channel, just because I find it easier, and this was actually the first ombre I've ever done on my actual nails. So I was very impressed with myself and did find the scrub technique to be extremely easy. So I have dipped into the clear once more, and now I'm going to take a small makeup brush that's quite stiff, and I'm just going to scrub some of that powder onto the left side of that nail to build up the first bit of my vertical ombre. I'm going to wipe off the excess of that and then go in with the green on the other side. This is actually a really simple technique to do. I had never tried it on myself before, like I said, and it actually was really simple. It was easy. It was really easy to fix any mistakes I had, which I didn't actually have many. And yeah, overall, definitely gonna do it again because it wasn't difficult like I thought I was expecting it to be. So I'm gonna repeat that process again. Base, clear powder, and then this time I'm gonna go in with the green first, just to reverse the order of what I did earlier, just so that it goes on a bit nicer. Just gonna even out that ombre a little bit more. Going back in again with the yellow. So I should also mention these colours aren't exactly the same as the ones that we used in the original, just because I had to go with what was available to me, I guess. I believe 2 or 3 of the colours are the same, but the others are not. Like I said, just availability and what I can and can't get in Australia. But I did my best with the colours I had and wanted to make sure I was also purchasing colours that I would use again, because I know me and that's not something I will always do. So I did 2 layers of the ombre and then went in with 1 more layer of the clear dip, brushed it off and started on the next nail. So I'm going to start on the next one now. I haven't activated the other one yet. I completely should have, and I'm quite an idiot for not doing that. Should definitely activate between each nail just so you don't contaminate any colours between them. So going back in with Lush again, and the blue I am using for the other side of this is Playful. So these are all Revel powders, I should mention. They were all purchased from Diamond Nail Supplies. I did go into their actual store and it's amazing. If you've never been and you're in Sydney, you totally have to go. It's like Bunnings for nails. So exact same process. While I'm here, the other colours I will be using, the purple is Animated, the pink I use is Amused, and the orange is Greta. So now that I've got that information out, I'm going to be quiet for a bit and let you finish watching me do this ombre. Okay, so now that I've finished all the ombre parts, I have wiped off all excess dust, and I'm going in with what I should have done ages ago, with the activator on all of these, and I am letting them sit for 2 minutes before filing them. I'm not buffing them just because I'm going in with a gel top coat, I believe I did with this one, as I normally do, and I don't know why I would have done any different. Anyway, yes, no buffing happens with this one, just filing of the edges and roughing up the top of the surface of the nail just so that the gel top coat will adhere. So there we go, that is the nails just after activator, no filing buffing just yet, and now we're back after that. So I'm now going in with my no wipe gel top coat. The brand is a name I cannot pronounce, but you can read, hopefully, so yeah, work that one out for yourself because I don't want to butcher the name. Just going in with this top coat on all of my nails, curing them for a full minute. I really love this top coat. You can get it on Australian Amazon, which is the best thing ever because it does ship really quickly, which is amazing because that's not something we get very often. As well as they do have quite a good selection on Amazon. So I also have the base coat and the matte top coat of this. I'm looking at the builder gel, not too sure about it yet. If anyone's tried it, leave me a comment, let me know, because I don't want to ruin anything. But other than that, absolutely love this top coat because it works so nicely and it's so affordable compared to some others on the market. 1 minute cure, and there we go. That is the finished nails. I love this so much. I'm so glad that Chelsea did her original video, give me the inspiration to do something this creative. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.